Hi guys, hope you are all doing well. I would like to share my experience with you. If someone is in pain or suffering, so that person needs help, attention and love. Over a period of time that person will recover back. I would like to show you something here. See here, these are my plants. I got these plants from the street and they were cut down at that time and they had been thrown away. So what I did, I bought new containers. See this container, here is my container, and I bought some new dirt, soil for them, and every day I'm watering them. So now you can see they are blooming. See, branches are coming, and this plant is looks nice, and maybe hopefully this plant will come back, recover back, and this plant is also recovering back. So here I will show you one more plant. See, I'm very happy to see I'm very happy to see this plant. See, this plant looks like very nice, good, and totally recovered back. I wanted to share this thought and message with you. Have a good time. See you in next video.